I am Professor Dr. Dharmesh H.S, practicing orthodontics for more than a decade now. I am practicing at Geeta Dental Clinic, Basavangudi, Bangalore. How to brush your teeth with the braces or with the orthodontic appliances, or how to maintain the oral hygiene while wearing the orthodontic braces. Here are few tips for effective brushing. 1. Dispense the paste only to a peanut size. Do not take the full length of the brush head, which can cause excess foam and gag. It is not economical too. Brush in front of a well illuminated mirror. Brush at least twice daily, morning and at night just before going to bed. Brush with up and down or circulatory strokes, never side to side. This preserves the attachment of the gums. Keep your face loose and relaxed while brushing the outer surface of the back teeth. Too much stretching of muscles will prevent the access of the brush head to those areas. Massage the gums after brushing with your fingers with gum paint or as advised by your orthodontist. Use floss to clean teeth along their contact surfaces. Learn the correct method of flossing either from your orthodontist or follow the manufacturer's instruction. You may floss whenever it is required. Do not use any sharp pins or toothpicks to clean the contacts. Gargle using mouthwash as prescribed. Gargling circulates the liquid all over the mouth and throat and helps remove food debris and mucus. Keep in mind, mouthwash does not replace brushing. Mouthwashing without brushing is useless. Hence, first brushing, then floss, massage the gums, and finally rinse the mouth with the mouthwash. Do it like a ritual every day and night regularly, and you can feel the difference. Please bear in mind that whatever may be the design of your brush, it is the method of brushing that is more important than the brush itself. So don't forget brushing, flossing, massaging and using the mouthwash while wearing the orthodontic appliances. For more information, you can log into my website www.alignersbraces.com, or you can contact me on my phone number 9900008081. Thank you.